Good morning guys and hi, welcome back to my channel. So today you are seeing my bare face with my just woken up face in fact, and I've genuinely woken up like this. Just that my hair is always tied up when I wake up, but now that I'm shooting I just put my hair down. Anyways, today I posted a poll on Instagram and I asked if you want to see my morning routine or my what do I say my day in my a day in my life. And most of y'all, initially it was a day in my life and then it just became a 50-50 between the both, so I'm totally confused right now. But I think I'll shoot a day in my life because I don't really have a lot of interesting things going on today, but I do have some things planned in my mind, and I realize that if I shoot I tend to finish what I want to do. So that's that. And it's around 11 o'clock. Generally during this quarantine I'm waking up really late. I do not know why. Only on days I really choose to be productive I wake up before 9 or something, but most of the days go like this, and I didn't want to sugarcoat it and I didn't want to add any cinematic shots of me waking up because it's all fake. Yeah, so I was not in the mood to shoot all of that in the morning. So yeah, I generally started my day with like an entire bottle of water. I ended up drinking so much already as soon as I woke up, and yeah, I was scrolling through my social media and I just ended up drinking more than half the bottle. I'm going to finish this and I'm going to tell you something else that I have in my mind. It's very important to drink a lot of water in the morning because it tends to keep your face really clean and fresh and bright. In fact, so many of us indulge in such expensive moisturizers and all of that, but trust me when I say this, just pick up something which is minimal and then drink sufficient water. Your face naturally gets moisturized, it's very glowy, and you will see the difference. It gets plump, so you'll see the difference, you'll notice it in fact. And yeah, for this bottle, I think this is really old. I got this from Lifestyle Home Center, and one of my favorite products that I've gotten from there, and I really like it. Anyways, I'm gonna make my bed now because it's clearly unmade. I'm using some artificial light because I don't really want to rely on just sunlight because today seems a little gloomy, and I'm planning to shoot something right now, like with this face without even brushing my teeth. I know that's very gross, but I just need that shot by 1 o'clock today, and it's already almost 11:30. It goes to edit as well, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to show you what I shoot as well. And before anything, I'm going to go first make this bed up because my mom's going to kill me otherwise, and then I'm going to show you the shoot. So if you're interested to see a day in my life and many such videos, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a video. And it's been a long intro. Let's go now. Anyways, I was going to shoot, so I thought I will show you where I'm shooting today. I just randomly got this concept of shooting in my this balcony area which leads to my utility washing machine and stuff. So now here I have very conveniently set up my light because I decided I need some extra lighting, and then I have my phone on the Gorilla Pod because I need that as well. And this place is not that bad to actually click a picture, so I don't know how I'm gonna go about with it, but I have one shot in my head and I really want to do that, so I'm gonna place you here so you can see it. So I just tried filming that and I'm really sorry for that noise, but I'm gonna insert it on the screen. I didn't like it one bit. I don't think I'm gonna post that or even edit it in that case. It was a fail. It was a complete fail. I don't know, something's not right. I don't know what's not right. The lighting seems to be fine, but I don't know. Anyways, now that I'm already done doing all of this and I'm unhappy, I'm just gonna go take I'm just gonna go brush my teeth and all of that. So yeah, let's go. I don't know why I got so distracted by social media, but that's what happened. I wasted so much time on it, but then I just happened to check the poll, and I got 51% a day in my life and 50% 49% morning routine. So I made a right choice by doing a day in my life. Anyways, I'm gonna go now, tie my hair, and let's start my morning. So I decided to skip breakfast today because it's too late to have breakfast. It's exactly 12:20 and I don't want to have breakfast and then lunch and then dinner. I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to have a heavy lunch. Mainly because today I have biryani, I have half an egg and I have pepper chicken. So it's going to be really yum. On an everyday basis also I generally skip breakfast. I eat only lunch. We have like brunch most of the times. So yeah, today is one of those days. I'm going to sit on YouTube for a while, and then yeah, I'm going to finish this and tell you what I'm going to do after that. So guys, the time is 2:03 and I wasted almost 1 hour just watching some movie. I'll show you. Some Telugu movie which is on Amazon Prime, and this is what happens most of the... Hi Ma. This is what happens most of the days. I would watch something on YouTube, my mom will come and play something on Amazon, and some random movie that doesn't make any sense, and the worst part is I wouldn't have heard of it also. But then at the end of it, I just sit and watch, and then I comment saying that hey, it's not nice after watching the entire movie. And my entire day goes for a waste because I watch this movie and then I don't feel like doing anything. I feel extremely sleepy, which I'm actually feeling right now. So that's that. I'm going to finish watching this movie. It seems a little interesting. So yeah, I'm going to watch this movie. Then I'll probably drink a milkshake, which is my regular. After that, I'm planning to actually study for a while and then shoot one thing. So let's see if that happens today. Okay, so time is 4:30 now. I do not know how I just ended up sleeping. Most of my days this is what happens. I just end up sleeping, and yeah, this was my unofficial afternoon nap. But now it's 4:30 and I really want to go take a shower because I feel that's going to help me become productive. I have to come back and I have to take care of this mess here. All the clothes that I've come back from laundry, I'm going to have to fold them. And yeah, I'm going to have to study also, dude. After this, I'm preparing for GRE, so I have to actually put myself to study right now because I've wasted the entire day and I really want to shoot. I don't know if it's going to happen. I really need to get myself together. Anyways, I will see you guys after my shower. I got done with my shower. It's currently 7 o'clock and I just sorted that mess also. Now I'm really hungry. I honestly really wanted to study today, but I don't know if that's gonna happen or no. And this is my everyday, dude. I'm not even kidding. Every day this happens to me where I really want to study, but then I end up not studying because I don't know why. So yeah, today I'm gonna try. If not, I'm just gonna let it be. I'm not gonna like overthink and all of that. That being said, I'm hungry. Let's see. Most probably I'll just make Maggi because I'm really lazy today and I don't feel like doing anything much. But yeah, that's the update for now. I'll go eat Maggi. So let's go to the kitchen now. was doing this day in my life, so I was telling them that this is my day, and then it's you are an essential part of my day because you're the one who cooks everything.
Yeah,
for
that's
me.
right.
And I keep eating like one cow at home.
That's true. Yeah.
But I call my mom Amba. It's a very, very nice weather. I honestly feel like sitting out, but then it's almost 9 o'clock. And I hate it when I wash my hair and my hair is so messy and unruly, bro. Anyways, I was just sitting and thinking of new video ideas. Today I'm going to skip studying because I don't really feel it and I don't want to force myself to study. Other than that, do I have anything? I'm planning to watch a movie tonight, so I'm not really sure. But I'm definitely going to have to edit this and like come up with a schedule for YouTube. And maybe Saturday or Sunday, that's going to be like a bonus clip. I don't know, I mean, I'll put everything in the description bar. I'll figure something out. I'll make my channel banner today, like a new one, a better one. And yeah, I'm trying to improve my channel as much as I can. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, I ended up watching 2 movies with my mom today from morning. That's what we did. Somehow we're having this movie marathon. I don't know how. And both the movies were Telugu movies. It wasn't that great, but then I still ended up watching them because I don't know. I don't know where my mom gets these videos of movies, dude. Like, it's so addictive. And yeah, so that's the day. Generally, this is what happens, and I try keeping it as raw as possible. I just had dinner too, so I'm just gonna sit here, chill, maybe watch another movie, I'm not sure, and then get to editing this video and maybe fix my hair. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please guys, consider subscribing to my channel, and also comment down below and tell me how your day generally goes in quarantine, because mine goes this way itself all the time. I'm gonna film a productive vlog one day. I'm trying to. Today was supposed to be a productive one, but it just didn't happen. Anyways, I'm gonna leave now and go watch a movie. Until then, until my next video, please take care, stay home, stay safe. Most importantly, stay positive and stay happy. Okay, bye bye.